Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Card.co. We use this website for simple web pages, like one-page websites. For example, it might be a resume, it might be a template email that you can easily create, and this is the really useful website for these reasons. So I would like to show you how to use it. So I will show you my resume that I created before. So I would like to show you on this one. So this is your framework. This is the image. If you would like to put your image, you can upload it here from your either from your computer or website. So you can delete. If you would like to delete something, you need to click on this one, delete icon. So if you would like to add anything like text, image, list, you have to click on the plus sign and just drag it here. So click on it, it will be appear on the bottom, so you can easily move wherever you want. If you would like to again delete this one, you have to select that one and hit delete button. So as you can see, I separated like three categories, and on the top of my resume I upload my picture and contact information here, and you can also add a link that you want them to see anything. You can just hit links here. So when you come to links, you have to copy the URL and put it here. So once you're done, just click done. So this is basically how we use Card.co. It is really don't forget to also save it on if you don't save it, it's not going to appear anything. So publish changes and you will see your changes. Click OK and go to your dashboard and then click on it. You will see the changes. This is basically how we use Card.co. This is really useful website for the as I said, for one page websites or anything like template emails. Thank you for watching.